How to fix Bereal camera not opening. In order to fix the Bereal camera not opening, first force close the app and restart. So what you want to do is you could simply go to settings on your device, and after you go to the settings, you then need to go ahead and locate apps from the list. As you go to apps, you want to select see all apps, locate Bereal from the list, and you want to make sure to force stop the app and select OK. And while you are in the same page, you also want to go to permissions and make sure that you've enabled the permission such as camera and microphone as well. Once you've done that, you also want to make sure to click onto the storage and make sure to clear cache, clear data. That should also be able to help you out. However, if the issue still persists on, you want to go to your respective app store and you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in Bereal, and here you just want to make sure to update your app to the latest version as well, as this could be an issue. So these are some of the ways you could fix Bereal camera not opening. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.